If you move outward from the Sun, the third largest planet you see is Earth. Earth has many unique features. Earth is the only planet on which there is a system of plate tectonics, and liquid water flows on its surface and has been able to cultivate life. The Earth orbits the Sun at an average distance of 149.6 million kilometers in an almost circular orbit, completing each orbit in 365.3 days. The Earth's axis of rotation deviates 23.5 degrees from the line perpendicular to its orbital plane, which causes different hemispheres to face the Sun during one orbit around the Sun, which makes the difference between the light received from the Sun and the existence of the coming of different seasons of the year. The Earth, the largest rock mass in the solar system, produced internal heat during its formation and has maintained it for the past 4.6 billion years. This heat is high enough to melt a portion of a nucleus made of nickel and iron. This core is surrounded by a mantle composed of huge hot rocks, and these rocks are layered on each other and form huge convective cells. The Earth's crust and upper mantle, which extend to a depth of 100 to 300 kilometers, are divided into huge plates called slippery plates or tectonic plates are known. These plates are slowly pulled around or pushed, and the reason for this movement is the displacement of the mantle beneath them. The Earth's atmosphere protects the planet from extreme temperature changes and allows liquid water to flow on the Earth's surface. The Earth's atmosphere has changed over time, mainly due to the existence of life on Earth. Much of the Earth's core remains molten due to the Earth's internal heat, which is 5,500 degrees Celsius. However, the Earth's surface is slowly cooling, increasing the thickness of the solid inner core. The Earth's inner core is made of solid iron and nickel, and its outer core is made of nickel and molten iron. The Earth's mantle is made of flexible silicate rocks, and its shell is made of solid rocks. Nitrogen is a major part of the Earth's transparent atmosphere. This atmosphere has a significant amount of oxygen and small amounts of other gases. Some of these greenhouse gases cause the Sun's heat to be trapped there and control the climate's temperature. 78.1% of the atmosphere is nitrogen, 20.9% is oxygen, and less than 1% is other gases. The average temperature of the atmosphere is 15 degrees Celsius. The abundance of life on Earth is inextricably linked to the presence of liquid water. The Earth's distance from the Sun, gravity, and protective atmosphere make it ideal for water to exist in all three basic forms: liquid, solid, and gas. The constant deformation of water between these three states has helped shape the Earth's surface landscape and its complex climatic system. Life on Earth covers a wide range. The interval begins with the simplest possible form of single-celled life and extends to complex multicellular structures. The dominant multicellular groups on Earth are plants, algae, and animals. Plants and algae get their energy from sunlight and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This happens in a process called photosynthesis. Animals get the energy they need by eating plants and other animals. Water on Earth can travel in different directions between gas, water, and ice, and vice versa. But the water cycle is based on the evaporation of water from the oceans and its reprecipitation over sea and land. Scientists estimate that there are about 10 million species of living things on Earth today, most of which are concentrated in biodiversity areas such as coral reefs and rainforests. Remains of various animals preserved inside the Earth's rocks, such as fossils and newer living organisms, indicate that life existed on Earth at least 3.5 billion years ago and has been evolving ever since. Earth looks like a unique planet, even from space. 2/3 is covered by water and icebergs on both poles, and most of its soil is green vegetation.